Now again in Material Science and Engineering, Unit 2, Engineering Materials. Our today's topic is iron-carbon equilibrium diagram. This is the diagram of iron-carbon equilibrium diagram. Now, this is also called a FEC equilibrium diagram or iron-carbon equilibrium diagram. The structural form of pure iron at room temperature is called ferrite or iron. Ferrite is soft and ductile. Since ferrite has a body center cubic structure, the interatomic space are small and pronouncedly oblate and cannot readily accommodate even a small carbon atom. Therefore, solubility of carbon in ferrite is very low, of the order of 0.006% at room temperature. The maximum carbon contained in ferrite is 0.05% at 723 degree centigrade. Now, in addition to carbon, a certain amount of silicon, manganese and phosphorus may be found in ferrite. The phase center modification of iron is called austenite or iron. It is the stable form of pure iron at temperatures between 910 degree centigrade and 1400 degree centigrade. At its stable temperature, austenite is soft and ductile and consequently is well suited for manufacturing processes. The face centered cubic structure of iron has larger interatomic spacing than in ferrite. Even so, in FCC structure, the interstices are barely large enough to accommodate carbon atoms and lattice strain are produced. As a result, not all the interstitial sites can be filled at any one time. The maximum solubility is only 2% of carbon at 1130 degree centigrade. Above 1400 degree centigrade, austenite is no longer the most stable form of iron and the crystal structure changes back to a body center cubic phase called delta iron. This is the same phase as the iron except for its temperature range. The solubility of carbon in ferrite is small, but it is appreciably larger than in ferrite because of higher temperature. The maximum solubility of carbon in an iron is 0.1% at 1490 degree centigrade. In iron carbon alloys, carbon in excess of the solubility limit must form a second phase which is called iron carbide or cementite. Iron carbide has the chemical composition. This does not mean that iron carbide forms molecules of, but simply that the crystal lattice contains iron and carbon atoms in a 3 to 1 ratio. The compound has an orthorhombic unit cell with 12 iron atoms and 4 carbon atoms per cell and thus has a carbon content of 6.67%. As compared to austenite and ferrite, cementite being an intermetallic compound is very hard and brittle. The presence of iron carbon with ferrite in steel greatly increases the strength of steel. In the reaction, the simultaneous formation of ferrite and cementite from austenite result at the temperature of 723 degree centigrade and composition of 0.80% carbon. There are nearly 12% of iron carbide and slightly more than 88% of ferrite in the resulting mixture. Since the ferrite and cementite are formed simultaneously, they are intimately mixed. Characteristically, the mixture is lamellar. It is composed of alternate layers of ferrite and cementite. This microstructure is called perlite, which is very important in iron and steel technology because it is can be formed in almost all steel by means of suitable heat treatments. The alloy containing 0.80% of carbon is called the eutectoid steel. Upon cooling the eutectoid steel below 723 degrees centigrade, all of the austenite is transformed into perlite. Alloys with less than 0.80% centigrade are called hypoeutectoid steels, and those with higher composition are called hypereutectoid steels. There are main four invariant reactions. The first one is peritactic reaction at the temperature of 1495 degrees centigrade and 0.16 percentage Fahrenheit. The second one is monotactic reaction at the stage of 1495 degrees centigrade and 0.51 percentage carbon. Eutectic reaction at 1147 degrees centigrade and 4.3% of carbon. Eutectoid reaction at 723 degrees centigrade and 0.8% of carbon. Now, Gibbs phase rule. In a system under a set of condition number of phase P, exist can be related to the number of components C and the degree of freedom F by Gibbs phase rule. Degree of freedom refer to the number of independent variables that can be varied individually to affect change in a system. Thermodynamically derived Gibbs phase rule that is equal to P plus F that is equal to C plus 2. In partially condition for metallurgical and material system, pressure can be treated as a constant. Thus condensed Gibbs phase rule is written as P plus F that is equal to C plus 1. Now, lever rule. At a point in a phase diagram, phase present and their composition along with relative fraction of phases can be compound. Now, there is the figure of lever phase rules.